When it comes to selling your course, there's almost nothing more valuable than testimonials. People are going to buy if they know that someone else has gone before them and been successful with your program. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to get and keep a steady flow of testimonials coming in for your mini course. This is day 37 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days. We're taking 90 days to talk about Kajabi and your online business and how to start, build, and grow your business on what I think is the best online business platform there is, which is Kajabi. If you want to try out Kajabi, use my link at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. When you do that, you get a 30-day free trial. You can't even get that at kajabi.com. You only get that through my link, which is my gift to you. You also get the $25,000 course launch email template. These are the exact emails and the exact email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in its first 3 launches. And you're gonna get a 45-minute Zoom call with me where we're gonna talk about your business, we're gonna talk about Kajabi, and we're gonna talk about how to get the best possible start on the platform. Those calls are some of the most fun I have all week. I get to meet all kinds of people that are doing all kinds of cool stuff on Kajabi, and I would love to give that to you as a way to say thank you for using my link, which is an affiliate link, so when you use it, I do get a small commission. So lanesebring.com/Kajabi. If you're gonna try out Kajabi anyway, you might as well use my link because you get more time when you do. All right, so when it comes to testimonials, you need them and you have to have a plan for getting them. Nobody knows the frustration more than a first-time course builder. If you're building a brand new mini course that no one's ever taken, you might be going, oh, I don't have anybody that has taken this course. How am I gonna have testimonials? And then once people take the course, the question is, well, how do I get testimonials out of these people and testimonials that I can use in my marketing and on my sales page? Well, let's talk first about when it's your first course ever. What do you do? Well, I would reach out to anyone that you have coached, anyone that you have helped. If you've done paid coaching, if you've helped friends, if you've walked people through this material, even in a free setting, if you could reach out to them and say, hey, I'm building a course based on exactly what I showed you how to do last year, or exactly what I've been walking you through. Could you give me a brief testimonial? Just something to the effect of, man, I was really struggling with X until I found Susie, that's you, and Susie helped me with figuring this out. And if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be able to do da-da-da-da. So I highly recommend Susie's teaching. That is a great place to start for your mini course. And again, if you can just have 2 solid testimonials on your sales page, that's a win. If you can have 3 or 4, it's even better. Now, here's how you actually get and keep a flow of testimonials coming in. It's very simple. In the last lesson of your course, ask for feedback, but particularly not just what did you think, but how have you used this course? What are you going to do with this course? What do you see happening in the next 30 days, 60 days, 90 days? And how has this course given you a plan? What happens is people start to think about, oh yeah, I wanna write down, I wanna comment what my plans are, how I'm gonna put this to use, what this course did for me, and you can take those with their permission and you can use those in your testimonials. And what it does is it shows not just I love Susie and she's so great, but I took Susie's course and because of that, I now have a plan to XYZ. The other thing that you can do is ask them to tell you what they've already utilized from the course. This is gold when it comes to testimonials because they literally will say, this course taught me to do this and I went and tried it and this was the result. That is a very, very powerful testimonial. So ask for them from friends or people that you've worked with in the past if you're working on your first course. And when you're creating your course, build in ways to make it easy for people to tell you how they've implemented your course and how they're going to implement it. Those are the best testimonials and you'll have a healthy, steady flow to keep them coming and in rotation. If you're ready to jump on Kajabi, use my link below. Be sure to let me know in the comments what questions do you have as we're going through this series, and subscribe to this channel because if you don't, you're not gonna be able to see these videos every day, which I know you look forward to very much. If you have more questions about Kajabi or just wanna dig in further, be sure to click right here on this playlist and I'll join you in there because that's where I'll be. If you click on there, we'll hang out in that playlist and I'll let you know more about Kajabi. You can explore more options. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.